These naming mistakes are slowing down your entire team, and just one of them is enough to turn you into the bottleneck everyone complains about. So I'm breaking down all of them to make sure that's not you. I'll show you real Java code examples, see if you can spot the mistake before I reveal it. Let's start with this code. What's wrong with these variable names? The problem? Abbreviations. Username and user age, for example. Your IDE autocompletes anyway, so you're not saving any time. You're forcing everyone to mentally translate these every single time they read your code. And in code reviews, people waste minutes asking, wait, what does PRCSS mean again? A better version of this code would look like this. Now the meaning is obvious at a glance. You don't need to decode or guess what does each variable stand for. Okay, next one. Can you spot what's missing here? The unit is completely unclear. Is the timeout 30 seconds, milliseconds, or minutes? Is the max size 1024 bytes, kilobytes, or megabytes? Now imagine someone wants to change this value in production. They'll have to hunt through your entire codebase to figure out what unit you meant. A better alternative looks like this. Now anyone reading the code understands what each number represents. Here's a classic. What's the problem with this method? One letter names everywhere. O, T, P, Q, X. This actually looks like algebra, not code. It wastes everyone's time tracing back through logic. A better alternative looks like this. Now each variable clearly reflects what it holds. It clearly explains itself without extra context. And by the way, if you want more practical tips like these that you can apply immediately, I send out free emails about clean code principles and lessons that don't make it into videos. Link is in the description below. It's completely free and you can unsubscribe at any time. Alright, mistake number 4 is sneaky. Check if you can catch it. It's magic numbers. What does 12 mean? What's special about 500? Why 15? These numbers have meaning, but you've hidden it. When your product manager says we need to change the minimum months, spending limit, or discount percentage, where do you even look? With magic numbers, you'd have to dig through the code. With named constants, you just update one place and you're done. This is an example of a better alternative. Now the business rules are documented in plain English. Anyone can tweak the value without breaking logic or guessing what they mean. Last one. This is the mistake senior developers catch immediately. You're exposing implementation details in your names, such as user hash map and save to hash map. Now imagine you switch to concurrent hash map because thread safety is important to you. What do? Rename everything, such as user concurrent hash map and save to concurrent hash map? Of course not. That would be ridiculous. And that's the point. If the name would have to change every time the implementation changes, then the name was wrong from the start. There is no reason for the consumers of this API to even know that you're using a concurrent hash map or a normal hash map. They just care that you save and retrieve users. A better alternative would look like this. Now the names describe behavior instead of implementation, giving you the freedom to change how it works without touching other parts of the code.